Hello friends, are you going to appear for InterCA November 22 or May 23 exams? Are you worried for the subject costing? Are you not confident with it? You feel you're too weak in the subject and this is the subject because of which you might fail? Then worry no more. Myself, Professor C. Devangi Shah, is here to help you. So friends, if you feel that you're too weak in the subject and you understand nothing, then friends, I would recommend in-depth costing course for you, which gives you detailed explanation of every concept with number of sums selected from ICAI module and past exam papers. Okay. But friends, if you're done with the subject, but still not confident, right? And you need, a push-up, then friends, what I would recommend is a fast-track costing course. The only difference between in-depth and fast-track is that the number of sums are lesser in fast-track. Fast track is also as detailed as in-depth, but just we have kept variety of sums. Similar sums are not there in fast track. In in-depth, we have similar sums also to give you more practice, but fast track has got variety of sums. Okay. And friends, you are, confident with all the topics, but there are few topics which you're not able to understand. And that is your problem. Then friends, for you, we have focused chapter-wise courses. Okay. So you can purchase that only chapter and get the preparation done. Okay. So this is what I would recommend for your, exam preparation. And with your fast track and in-depth course, we give you test series complimentary. All the papers will be prepared and checked by me. Okay. So this would enhance and improve your preparation. Friends, all these courses are available on my app, Costing by Devangi. Download now. And all these courses are available in 2 languages, English plus Hindi and only English also. Okay. So you have all the choices, friends. In-depth, fast track, chapter-wise course, language choice, test series free. Friends, what else you need? If you need anything else, do not forget to message me through this app. Okay. This app is available on the Play Store and App Store. Download now and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you, friends.